In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete Google Chrome history quickly and correctly, whether you're on Windows or Mac. This is a simple way to clear your browsing activity, remove old search history, and keep your browser a little more private. If you find this tutorial helpful, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. Once Chrome is open, you can use a very fast keyboard shortcut to bring up the Clear Browsing Data menu. On Windows, press Ctrl, Shift, and Delete at the same time. If you're using a Mac, press CMD, Shift, and Delete at the same time. This opens the Delete menu instantly, so you don't have to go through the settings manually. After the menu appears, you'll see a drop-down where you can choose the time range. This is important because it controls how much history gets removed. If you only want to clear recent activity, you can select last hour or last 24 hours. If you want to delete everything, choose all time. That will remove your Chrome history across the full selected period. Next, make sure the box for browsing history is checked. This is the main option that clears the sites you visited and the pages stored in your Chrome history. If you also want to remove other data, you can check additional boxes, but if your goal is only to delete history, keep the rest as they are. For example, if you want to keep passwords saved and not remove cookies, make sure those options are unchecked. That way you're only deleting the browsing history and leaving your other browser data intact. Once you've selected the right time range and confirmed the browsing history box is checked, click Delete Data. Chrome will process the request and remove the selected history from your browser. Depending on how much data you're deleting, it may take a few seconds. After that, your Chrome history for the chosen time range will be cleared, and that's all there is to it. You've now learned how to delete Google Chrome history on both Windows and Mac in just a few clicks. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more simple step-by-step tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.